teacher time, guys. Anyways, guys, were you guys waiting for your teacher's video clip? Yes? Yes or no? Yes or no? We missed all the video clip last few weeks, right? And what is wrong with my voice? Can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice, right? Yes? So, guys, we are on phonics 2. Can you believe it? Yes, we're on phonics 2. We're not phonics 1 anymore. It's phonics 2. So we've learned all the short A word sounds, but there were lots of accents. And Moana was not here, and David was not here, and Lyle is absent from yesterday, and who else was absent? Oscar was absent, and almost everybody. And Haley came back, and Jiwon came back as well. Your teacher is so happy to see you guys. But there were so many absents. Your teacher is very sad. Hopefully we can meet each other on Monday next week. Alright, guys? I'm gonna wait for you to come. Alright? Lionel, you okay? Moana? Ellie, is your mom okay? Alright, so we're going to go over all the short A sounds. Okay? You ready? I think Moana is watching my video, your teacher's video clip at home, and Lyle is going to watch your teacher's video clip at home, and who else? And Ellie, Jiwon, and who else is going to watch your teacher's video clips at home? Maybe everybody, almost everybody. So everybody, you have to watch your teacher's video clip and review at home, okay? So right now we're going to go over all the short A sounds words. Ready? Are you guys ready? Yes? Sophia, are you ready? Anyways, so guys, what is this? This is short A sound word. This A, remember? Right? Your teacher said A-M, you said right? This is A-M. And what about this one? This is A-P, A-P. A-P, 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 right? A-P. M, A-P, A-P, A-P. Got it? And what about this one? This is N, N, right? So this is so easy. So you have to focus. Listen, and repeat after your teacher, okay? So we're going to go over from A, P sounds. Okay? No, right? No, M sounds, okay? M, this is everybody focus. This is M, ram. Got it? Ram. And what about this one? M. Mason, are you watching it? You are absent for a whole week as well. Your teacher misses you so much. This is Sam. And what about this one? K-N, can. This is N sound. K-N, can. And this is R-Et, rat. B-Et, bet. One more time. R-M, ram. How easy is this? S-M, Sam. I know Lyle can read all the words, right? Eric? Following. All right, so Stella, focus. This is everybody ap sounds. Ap. M, ap. Map. M, ap. Map. H, at. Hat. And this is hem. And M-N, man. M-N, man. What about this one? V-N, van. V-N, van. And this is P-N, pan. And this is L-Up, lap. L-Up, lap. And this K-Up, cap. N-Up, nap. What is nap in Korean? Nap is like this. When sun is still out there, this is nap. Okay. Ask your mommy in Korean. Mommy, what's nap in Korean? Alright, so everybody, today your teacher will mix all the picture cards and your teacher's gonna let you hear the sounds so you can get the answers, okay? Everybody, ready? So guys, I'm gonna mix the cards. Ready? Easy one. This is What is this? Oscar. Chloe. Jewel. Cap. Ah, this is nap, right? Oh, you can mix the cards together. And let me see if you can get the answers, okay? Oh, what is this? N. Can. Right? Let's do 3 more. Listen to your teacher's voice, guys. Ham. Ham. Got it? And what about 2 left? Pen. Got it? Oh, this is a van. Eric told me to take this picture because he wants to draw this at home. I don't know why. This is a maybe Eric likes camping. All right, so this is right, Eric? Van, right? Van. Are you gonna go camping with your daddy? Yes. Okay, van. This is your van. Right, alright, so guys, you guys did an excellent. I bet you can read all the short A sounds word by now. So, everybody, you have to do your homework, okay? And bring it to your teacher on Monday. Alright, guys? So, everybody, be safe because the coronavirus is everywhere right now. Your teacher is very, very frustrated with the COVID-19 coronavirus. Anyways, guys, we're gonna beat coronavirus, okay? So everybody, be safe over the weekend, and I'll see you guys next Monday, okay? With your homework. All right, so have a great weekend with your mommy and daddy, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye. I forgot to tell you, Sophia's gonna come out and read all the words with your teacher. Okay, guys, I'm gonna call Sophia. Sophia, come out. Sophia, where's Sophia? Sophia, I'm gonna go find her, okay? See you guys on Monday. Bye-bye. Sophia. Hello, Mommy.
Hello, Mommy.
Okay, say, Sophia's gonna read all the short ACDC words. Okay, are you ready? Say, yes, I'm ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, Sophia, you're gonna read the short A sounds words. Okay, Sophia, what is cap? Very speak louder. Cap. Yes, very good. And what is van? Very good. Hat. What about this one? Can. Man. Very good. Nap. Okay. Nap. What is pan? Very good. Sam. Very good. Map. Very good. Ram. Very good. Right. Rat. Very good. Bat. Very good. Pan. Very good. High five. Read all the short A sound word. Very good, Sophia. You're gonna be on my YouTube video, okay? Are you happy? Yes? Okay, so everybody say, Sophia, say bye, Mommy.
Bye, Mommy.
Say bye, Ellie.
Bye, Ellie.
Irene. And who else? Mason. Jiwon. Hareen.
Bye.
Right? Bye, guys.